Hello students, myself Bhupender Singh Rawat. Today in this video, I will explain the topic meaning and objectives of planning from the first chapter Planning in Sports. First of all, what is planning? Generally, I am telling you, planning plays a vital role in every field of life. Physical education and sports play a significant role in the development of an individual. Now, one definition is there. Planning comprises the process of setting goals, developing strategies, and outlining tasks and schedule to accomplish goals. Now, planning is a process from which we set goals and we made strategies. Okay? To complete any task and to achieve any goals, that's why planning is basically a process. Now, objectives of planning. There are 6 objectives of planning. Number 1, to enhance the sports performances. Number 2, to keep good control over all activities. Number 3, to facilitate proper coordination. Number 4, to reduce the chances of mistakes. Number 5, to increase the efficiency. And last, number 6, to increase the creativity. Now I will explain you these objectives one by one. Number 1, to enhance the sports performance. It is also one of the significant objectives to enhance the sports performance of athletes or players. Without proper planning, it is impossible to improve the performance of sports persons. In fact, training of sports is useless if it is not well planned. Now, if planning is good, automatically performance of players will be good. If we are doing training in proper planning, then training will also be good. So planning is very important. Very important to enhance the performance of the players. If there will be more planning, then performance of players will be improved. Got it? Now, second, to keep good control over all the activities. To keep a good control over all the activities is another objective of planning. Planning and control are connected with each other. Planning helps in keeping a good control, organizing a tournament. Now, to keep good control over all the activities. If we have proper planning, then we have good control over the activities. Got it? Then we keep good control in any tournament or event, whatever in that time requires. Got it? Now, third, to facilitate proper coordination. This objective of planning is related to facilitate proper coordination among the various members of committees formed for organizing the competition smoothly. Now, to facilitate proper coordination. Suppose any organizing committee of sports is not have proper coordination, so that for proper coordination we needed proper planning. Got it? If planning is not good among the sports committee, so there will be poor coordination. Got it? For removing that poor coordination, we need good planning before in starting. Now, fourth objective of planning, to reduce the chances of mistake. To reduce the chances of mistakes is also a significant objective of planning. A proper plan reduces the chances of mistakes and oversights. If there are number of mistakes in organizing an event, it will not leave a good impression on the participants. Now, to reduce the chances of mistakes. How? For reducing the chances of mistake from committee member in organizing the tournament or event from players between the game, for that planning is necessary. Got it? Organizing committee will not do any mistake organizing any sports program. Got it? If there is a good planning, if plan is good in between the players, they will not do any mistakes. Now, fifth objective of planning, to increase the efficiency. To increase the efficiency of sports officials in conducting sports events competition is one of the main objectives of planning. It is the important purpose of planning to increase the capability and efficiency of official. Got it? Now to increase the efficiency. Why planning is important? First of all, suppose we are organizing a tournament or event. If planning is not there, then we feel lot of pressure. For removing that pressure, planning we need before handling any tournament or event. For this we got proper efficiency also. Got it? Now last objective of planning is increases the creativity. To increase creativity is another significant objective of planning. As a matter of fact, a proper planning increases creativity among officials, coaches, or physical education teachers. In fact, planning helps in innovative and creative thinking among sports officials because many new ideas are brought to the table by officials when they make a plan. And last, increases the creativity of players and the officials also. What do you mean by this? Increases the creativity is the most important factor. Got it? If your planning is well, then your creativity will be increased. If you are unplanned, your creativity will be less. If planning in between organizing committee and players is good, then creativity output you will get. Got it? These are the 6 objectives of planning. This is all in this topic. Thank you. Take care.